What's up, everyone? So I'm here. I wasn't going to videotape this call because it's been raining. It's Saturday the 14th October, so I wasn't going to videotape this call here. Yeah, but I just need to show you all something that kind of really, let's just say, pisses me off. Okay, so let's take a look at this. They're calling for a red airline. See this crap? Don't ever do this shit. You know what I mean? Because it makes it a lot harder for me if this is just rip. If it's got a hole right here at the glad hand, I can repair this. But when you do shit like this, I have to cut this off and hope that I can get all this off, and that's all I have to repair, versus me having to replace a whole airline that's still in good shape. No marks on it. I've got a feeling right here it's just got a hole in it. What they should have done was call road service wherever they broke down at, instead of trying to wrap it just to get it back. So yeah, it kind of irritates me a little bit. So let's cut this open and see what happens. Need to get something first, but had to vent it a little bit as soon as I come up and saw this, you know, because they called in for a red airline, and most of the time it's the driver rips it off the right at the glad hand. I just cut that bad piece out and you know, put a new fitting end on there. It's a lot cheaper to do that when it's just that versus replacing a whole airline, you know. So anyway, let's see. So like I said, I wasn't going to do this. Here's the way it's been raining all day. I've been out here, but I couldn't pass this one up to show y'all. And any drivers out there, don't do this shit. It really it makes it harder when it can be just a simple fix versus having to unwrap all this crap here just to replace an airline, just because it's probably got a hole here. So you know, so and that's right there, it's illegal. If DOT would have saw that or pulled him over, they would have shut him down right there on the spot. Just because you know, I mean, I understand you might be out here, but rushing and doing something like that can be unsafe. Not only hurt yourself, but hurt others. Oh, I know what I did with them last night. I put them here. So we're gonna cut all this crap off, and we're gonna see. We'll have to get my glasses out here because it's gonna be precision cutting here with this thing. All right, man. Let me just over here. I might have to change my blade. Duct tape. Wire ties. This is the first time I ever seen anybody do wire ties at the same time. There's 120 pounds of pressure that comes through this line. You put duct tape, electrical tape, all the tape you want on it, it's not going to work usually. This guy here, or whoever this driver is, or whatever, uses wire ties, man. Wants to be in a hurry to get home, I guess. Well, I understand, like I said, but is it really worth it to do it, like take a chance like this, especially this day and age? If anything would have happened and he would have gotten an accident and the police got out there and had seen this, they probably would have tried to blame it on this shit. There we go. I'm not gonna worry about that one. I gotta be careful not to slice into the hose all the way down here. It's like you used a half a roll of duct tape or Gorilla tape, something. So I'll keep this video running. Probably won't see this till next month or something, probably. So okay, so that's part of the handle, which I don't have to worry about that at least. And it's still part of the handle. Still part of the handle there. Okay, so I'm getting close to where the line's at. So I don't want to go very deep anymore. We're going to find out if that's what it really was. See if I can. You know what? He's got this wrapped around here like this. Maybe I can unwrap it. No, figures. All right. That's ridiculous. Get another blade. Like I said, to me, it's not worth taking chances doing something like this just to get back, just to get home. There we go. Should be able to get these in here. There we go. Jesus. Alright. By doing that, I didn't mess anything up. Looks like he's got tape in there. I see some black tape or something in there. right, let's get the rest of this shit off here. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna cut this part off because my fitting end has a spring on it and I'm not gonna be able to use that anymore. Yeah, that's what I thought. He's got tape inside there. So another surgical cut here. Without going deep into the hose. Where's my screwdriver I just had? Here it is. Not gonna work. Jesus Christ. All right, almost there. This here is down here is a part of a hose, so I'm trying not to go past the metal fitting there, see? Shouldn't even be allowed to have tape in your truck for this crap. It's gotta be Gorilla Tape. There. Okay. See that there? Right there? That's where the hole's at. Okay? You can see that. Anyway, so all I gotta do is cut this part right here off. Bam, put a new fitting end on there, and it's good to go. Putting all that crap tape on there makes it a lot harder, and a chance for me to slice into the hose. So yeah. So anyway, so all you drivers out there, don't do that. Just call road service and be patient. All right, no venting. So let's get this thing fixed. But like I said, I wasn't going to record this, but after seeing that shit, I had to, just to show y'all what goes on and what not to do, to be honest. All right, let's get one of these. I'll have to get some more of these from the shop. Hopefully Dean orders some more of these things because we're getting low. Let me get my flashlight because it's starting to get dark here. On the other side. Get my hose cutters out. So right where you see this right here, we're just going to cut right here. Bam, like that. That's all you need. That's all we need. Just put another fitting end on, and it's good to go. Get all these wire ties up. I think that's all of them. There's some more of that crap tape. Yeah, all right. Throw this in my little trash bag here. Hopefully he left the key in so I can check operation, stuff like that. Nope. So I'm not gonna be able to check operation, but it's no big deal. It takes a lot for me to get upset or pissed, but this here, I just don't have no patience for. I've even told drivers right there when I come on this thing and they've got this thing wrapped with full of tape. I'm like, dude, don't do that. It's just, and finds out that he gets stuck out on the highway because it blows right through the tape. And I tell him right off the bat, don't do that. Just call road service. Wherever you're at, call road service. That's all you got to do. You got to be patient. Everybody thinks that you can be there in a split second. So anyway, I need my 1/16, my 1 inch. I always clean the hose off, by the way. If you want to do something like this, clean the hose off. Let's get this thing fixed. Then I can call, let them know it's done. And like I said, always check, make sure the tapered part's facing that way. If it's facing the other way, it's going to crimp all funky. So you see the taper part, and then we're going to put this in here and make sure the screen's still clear. Yeah, it is. All right. Just a little lube to make it easier. Screw that baby in. Only use that one. Yeah, screw that baby right in there like that. Start cranking. Looks like these are new airlines already anyway. They don't look too old, just the truck is new. Oops, you can't see nothing like that. Always tighten it down so there's no gap between that nut. Bam, just like that. See it? Now we get this thing off. Mace there and into there. Oops. Let's go with the red seal out. I get some more of this stuff starting to dry up. To me, it's better than Teflon tape. Okay. Oops. Oh, it's my headset got caught. So it's an easy fix when it's just that right there behind the crimp fitting. Oops, just go the wrong way. No, I'm going the right way. What am I doing? And there we go. Looks like the blue one's a little bit. Looks like the blue one's a little bit sore. That's all right. We didn't fix the blue one. We fixed the red one. Bam! Right there. See that? It doesn't take much away, especially since this here is a little bit longer, and I didn't cut it anywhere past here. And then this has a spring fitting on it, so that way it keeps the hose from crimping or getting sliced by the crimp. So there we go. I always like to do that. If you can't turn it by hand, it's tight enough. All right, so there you go. That's it. All done. I can't check operation because he left the doors locked, and always like to put these in here. I have no idea why. You gotta put them on a catwalk. That's why they make these glad hand holders. So. That one there. Bam. Okay. All right. Could go to dispatch. I think the dispatch office open. I could see if they have the key for this thing. And I could really just come back and I might just do that. See if they have the key for it so I can check operation. I hate when I can't check operation on something after I fix them. So. Alright, I think that's everything I got here. Got all my tools. I did. Okay, so that's it for this one. Like I said, I just wanted to show everybody what I see and what I have to do to make it from a major repair to a simple repair. Anything like that, boom, so that's a simple repair. But when you put all that crap on there, you got to be careful. You got to take the time to cut all that shit off. So, yeah. So that's going to do it for this one. See y'all in the next one.